Okay guys, so what is up and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you different websites and different types of websites, not just websites, different nav bars, etc. and many more. So look at it. If you like it, comment down below and tell me if you want the source code. I have it because I've designed most of them. Some of them I got off the internet and altered them a little, but most of them I made on my own. So if you want any source code for any of these projects, let me know and I will let you know. Okay, this first one is a basic, very simple 10 to 15-minute job. All you do, what do you call? Create two separate containers. In the first container, you border, right? Instead of normal bold line, you change it to dotted, like what do you call text decoration, you change it to dotted. So it looks pretty funky, pretty old, but this is when I first started, it was pretty wild. Okay, now this is our next website, Master the Interweb. This was actually supposed to be my website, but then I've changed it. So this was my first plan for my website. These are all changed. The zoom in. This is pretty cool if you ask me. I had images in these container in these boxes, and then I had a footer down there. But they're all gone because you know. Yeah. Next we have the similar website. I started. No, this was my first one, and then that was my second one, and then I made a totally different one. So explore the interweb. So introduction. They light up. Pretty cool. There's this transform. What do you call transition? I made it 2 millisecond delay. Explore the meaning, and these are all buttons for you to get started. Understand your world, free education for all. I needed to design these, but you can always delete them if you don't want. And it's pretty easy to continue the black and white coloring scheme, right? You can go to different pages, and even if you go to different pages, you click on the title, right? It always brings you back. Next website. Our next website, this isn't a website, this is a tool, right? You might have seen this in some websites. So this is what you call a CSS text animation tool. So you basically use CSS and a little bit of JavaScript just for the line that's moving up and down alongside the letters. And then you inside a list, right? Inside a list, you put down a couple of words. So you keep I am as a fixed what do you call let us do this normal like h2, and then this one's inside another h2. So inside another h2 you give it a class and then you code it separately. So it's pretty cool. You can set your custom words. So I set this up. I mean, except the freelancer part I decided to delete. But yeah, this is basically the multiple text typing CSS animation. Now we have the introduction to the internet. Okay, so you might have seen this. This is pretty cool if you ask me, just because you don't need to click anything, and there's this good animation on the arrow, and then there's also themify, so changes themes. Yeah, threads, positives, these are all go to different pages. There are new tabs, but then I didn't actually what do you call link these pages just yet. The internet is a scary place for humans to live. Ha ha. Okay, so that was that. If you still have any doubts, you can always message me in the comments. Okay, I have actually used this in my real website. I've just changed up the font for this one. But I have to say, right, the JavaScript part for this, there is JavaScript involved in this, and it's just a few lines, right? Just like 8 lines, I believe. But yeah, and there's also the CSS only mouse scroll animation. So I try to make it better, but that's the best because there you can, right, when you download this you will get it differently, but because I've added these what do you call my name and mainly the background video ball image, If you ask me, that's really cool. The background, I really like it. Okay, so now let's go to the next site. Okay, now this isn't actually a site, this is just a tool. So you know how the show more buttons, right? When you click on them, they show more. Many people wanted to do that. Even I wanted to do it. I did it in my bibliography for my website. My website was a coding website as part of an assessment for those of you who don't know. But yeah, this is basically just involves a little bit of JavaScript so that it shows text when clicked upon. Okay. Now we have this other thing. I have to admit that this website layout I got from someone else. Yeah, but this is bad. And then finally we have accordions. Accordions are fun. When you click on them, they open up. You can change up the things. So that's basically it, guys. If you like this video, ensure to leave a like and comment down below if you want any source code or if you just liked this video. Thank you.